Hello everyone, welcome to my channel UPSC Point. If you are preparing for UPSC and don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll guide you step by step to kickstart your preparation and stay on track. Your dream of becoming an IAS officer, let's make it happen together. First, understand the exam structure. Prelims is the first hurdle with two papers. One is GS, that is General Studies, which is of 200 marks. And then we have CSAT, which is qualifying in nature. Both these papers are objective papers. Then we have mains, in which we have 9 descriptive papers, which consist of 4 GS papers, GS 1, 2, 3, and GS 4. Then we have one essay paper. Then there are 2 language papers, which are again qualifying in nature. Then 2 optional subject papers. After this, we have interview, which is the personality test. Knowing this is your foundation, let's move on to the resources. First, start NCERT books for basics building. Then move on to advanced books like Laxmikant for Polity, Spectrum for Modern History, and J.C. Leong for Geography. Keep your resources limited but effective. Read the NCERT and one advanced book. You don't have to read everything which is under you, or I'll mention the book list in the pinned comments. Do let me know in the comment section how you guys want it. Now, coming to the time management. Divide your day wisely. Allocate 5 to 6 hours for reading, revision, and practicing answer writing. Weekly revision should also be there. Then also give mock test when a topic is complete. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Now coming to the current affairs part. Current affairs are crucial. Read newspapers like the Hindu or Indian Express daily, but only one newspaper. Make short notes if possible to revise later. Otherwise, diligently follow any institute's monthly current affair magazines, as they have people who are doing this work for you. UPSC is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay motivated, stay disciplined, and trust the process. Success is the sum of small efforts and repeated day in and day out. That is, if you do the summation of efforts, and is the day one, the day from you have started your preparation, till D-Day, like the day of your prelims. If you do continuous efforts, you will get success for sure. That's it for today. I'll be posting more videos on UPSC preparation strategies, book list, and answer writing tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.